Hi there, Tyler. So here's something you can make a start on for your assignment. So this is how you can make your graphs using the Excel file. So you've got your data set, so it'll look like that. I've just moved the columns out, that's why it looks a bit different. So what you need to do is arrange it so that screen time and sleep time are going to be your x-axis and reaction time is going to be your y. So how you can do that is I'm going to highlight up here. So click on the C until it does that. Control X to copy it. Click over here and Control V to paste it. That's the quickest way to do it. Now I'm going to move reaction time, same way. I'm going to put one after there, but I'm going to put another one over here. Okay, so I just need to copy that one, put it over here. That way we can use two data sets to create two different graphs. All right, so now what we have to do is we have to have a look down the list, probably in the sleep column, and have a look at any real large anomaly numbers, okay? This one says this person's sleeping for 19 hours, so that's a bit of an anomaly. So what you can do is click over here on the row, all right, highlight, I go right click and then delete and it gets rid of it. So it's eliminated that whole data set. Okay, keep scrolling down, have a look. Are there any others that we might need to turf out? Doesn't look like it. I think I got the other ones. So anyone that you need to delete, that's how you can delete it. All right, now make a graph. I think you have to make scatter plots by the looks of it. So what you do is highlight all the data set. Okay, go up to the top of your screen, it'll say insert, come over here to charts. Now there's a weird little one with the dots on it, that's your scatter plot. If you click on the axis or click on the button, it gives you a few options, and this one here is probably the one that you want. Click on that. All right, it's highlighted over here so you can see which data set it's using. Okay, you can move this around, it's not important. All right, now we've got to fix up the axis labels. So click on the little plus over here, axis titles, and then that gives us our X and our Y axis titles. So this one here, just copy it over. This was screen time after school. Okay, and put in the unit, whatever it was, hours I think it is. Our Y axis is going to be reaction time, seconds, whatever it might be, you can change that. And then click right up the top, what is the name of the chart you're going to make? So this would be screen time after school. Can't spell, school against reaction time. And that's pretty much your graph for that one data set. All right, so I'm going to pop him over here and then basically do the exact same with the other data set. Over here, click, highlight, insert, scatter. All right, click on your button and do all the same with your data labels. Okay. So hopefully that's enough to get you started. Okay, we worry about the calculations in the next little video, but I'll also send you the links to some other sources that may help you do it as well. All right, cheers, bye.